Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before jumping into the tutorials, as this is my first video, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Abhishek. I have total 7 years of experience as a data analyst. I have had opportunity to work for a companies like Infosys, Oracle India, and I'm currently working for Lowe's India. I'm excited to announce that we are starting a new series on Power BI DAX formulas. But before we dive into the technicalities, let's first understand what is DAX and why it's important. What is DAX? DAX stands for Data Analytic Expressions. It's a formula language used in Microsoft Power BI, Power Pivot, and SQL Server analysis services. DAX formulas are essential for creating custom calculations in your data models, allowing you to derive a new information from your data. Why DAX is important? Well, DAX enables you to create a powerful calculations and data analysis in more efficient and stream manner. It helps in creating a complex measures, calculated columns, and tables that can significantly enhance your data insights and reporting capabilities. Mastering DAX can transform your ability to work with data, making it a crucial skill for a data professionals. Now we understood what is DAX and it's important. Let's jump into installing Power BI application. I'm currently in Microsoft web page. So this particular link I will go ahead and place it in the video description. Please refer the same. Once you click on the link, you will land in this particular page. In this particular page, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the Microsoft Power BI desktop segment. In it, you will also see the download button. Click on the download button. Once you click on the download button, you will see these three types. These two types are for one is for 32-bit and another one is for 62-bit. Based on your computer requirement, go ahead and select the one. Once you select, you will see the download button enabled. Click on download, the particular application will be downloaded. I'm not going to download this particular application because I have already downloaded and installed it. Please take a time, pause the video for download and installation. Once you download and install the Power BI application, you can go ahead and open that by searching it. Now the Power BI application is hosting. Once the Power BI is hosted and open, you will be coming to this particular page. In this page, you will have to create a particular report, or you can choose a multiple data source to create the report. Right now I'm going to click on blank report. Once you click on the blank report, you will be in this particular page. In this page there are multiple segments in it. I'll go ahead and give you a quick overview of what is Power BI segments. I'm not going to cover everything because that is not needed for this particular tutorial. However, going forward, when I create an entire Power BI tutorial, I will explain each and every segment in detail. In here, you can see the ribbon here, as you can see in other Microsoft applications. And you will see the different view here. So right now we are in report view, and you in the right hand side you will see a filter, you will see the visualization, and you will see the data segment. In the home you will see the data. In here you can go ahead and export multiple data. So as you can see, there are Excel report you can export. You can export the text and CSV. You can also export the uh, SQL data. You can also export the data from the blank query. There are multiple options and there are more also. You can go ahead and explore that. Along with that, you will have other options like transform data, and you can import the new visuals. You can get the text box. You can create multiple visuals in here. Along with that, you will also have the new measures, quick measures, and other options too. In insert, you can see the new page. You can go ahead and create a new page. You can duplicate this entire page, or you can create a blank page. If you hit on blank page, as you can see, there is a new page has been created. Likewise, you can create a new visuals. You can create more visuals in it. And another more important thing is elements. You can create text box, you can create a button, you can create a shapes, you can create an image too. In the modeling, you can manage a relationship if you have a multiple data source or multiple data set, and you have option to create a new measures here, and you can also have to create a quick measures. You can create a new column, you can create a new table too. So these all can be also achieved through writing a multiple DAX functions that we will explore in the later. And along with that, we will also can make the new parameters also. And there are other options also. I'll not go ahead and touch. So you can explore the same. In the view option, you will have option to change the theme. Basically, you can go ahead and edit your view of this particular of the particular report you are going to create. You can change the themes. You can see the page view, and you can change it to mobile layout also. This will change as a mobile screen looks like, and then you can go ahead and create a report for mobile layout also. You will also have the option to enable the grid line, and then you have a snap grid also. You have a lock object also. If you click on any particular object and then click on lock object, it will not be moved. And you will also have the filter option that you have seen here. So the same option we have here. If you don't want it, you can disable that also. And you will have bookmark, you will have a selection, performance analyzer, and other options. In the optimize, you have option to optimize the particular report. You can refresh the particular applications, you can pause the visuals, and all other options too. Help, I'm not going to cover much. This will help you. You can go ahead and get the documentation, and you can get examples, all other. Please go ahead and explore the same. In the view, you will, right now we are in report view. You will also have the table view. Here you can see the tables which you have exported, and you will also have the relationship view or the model view. Here you can go ahead and build a multiple relationship between the data sets. And in the last but not the least, and the important one which we have is DAX view. Here you can go ahead and write a DAX function, which we will explore in the later part. Once you change the each view, the particular segment also, or the particular panel also been changed as accordingly. In the right hand side, I have already said what is filter. You can put a multiple filter on the data sets. And you will also have the visualization. Here you can export multiple types of, or you can create a multiple type of visualizations. Along with that, you also have the data segment. Here, whatever the data you have exported, that will be visible here. Quick overview of the particular Power BI, how it looks and what are the options which we have. Later, when we get an option, we will go ahead and deep dive all these options. And with that, we have reached to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data analytics. See you in the next one.